Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share the work that we finished in Toyota Camry Altis, and this one is the generation 2006-2011, and the car is made 2008, but actually it belonged to the MY09. Now the car come with the standard Camry Altis radio before, and at this moment it's already been beautifully fit with a new premium 9-inch setup in the front that runs wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto at the very best performance, including boosting up the sound system in the car through the built-in very strong amplifier inside this one. The digital sound processor in this one is beautiful. It boosts up the sound straight away, and I'm sure that the owner will be very surprised and amazed how the sound turned up after we fit the new system. We connect very well the factory steering wheel buttons over here, 2, 4, 5 of them, and we assign the mode button here for phone answering function. So it's so easy now that the driver, the owner, and their family can answer the phone directly from the steering. Beautiful, right? Even though that the factory doesn't have anything about the phone, but now answer the phone ring is hands-free from the steering when you're driving. And together we actually install with the high definition anti-glare, super night vision, and dynamic steering wheel sensor camera. So the reverse camera now is very beautifully fit at the center of the tailgate, and we already even made one video to show how we actually install the camera. But here again, the reverse camera in the car is beautifully and centralized, fit at the back end, and it is adjusted to see the turbo and the bottom of the bumper bar right on the bottom of the screen. So everything is carefully select the position, the angle, the point, and everything is right. So you can have a look at the other video. We show how to install this camera, but here you go. Come back to the screen and have a look at how actually the reverse camera turns on. Okay, so when we turn on the reverse, you can see that the camera is showing up with the tow bar right at the bottom, and here, because this one is super wide angle, so the curving line at the bottom here, right at the bottom, is the rear bumper bar. So it's enough to show that okay, the turbo and the bumper bar. That's very informative information, and it's carefully adjust so it is right, it is perfect position, and it looks very nice. You can see there's straight guideline red, green, when you reverse, but also there are 2 yellow line on the side. Okay, so those 2 yellow lines, they are dynamic steering wheel guideline sensor lines. So when we move the car straight, they won't move, and all of those lines will stay still. But if you turn the wheel to the left, those yellow lines, 2 of them will swing like this, or if you turn like this to the right, those lines will swing like this to the right, which is very, very useful to show that you are curving the car to the rear end to somewhere. That's important to keep driving safe backward. Okay, and when you pull the gear back to the normal, it will come back to the front screen before, which is wireless Android Auto. We turn on the lights, so actually it turn on the nighttime driving, but when we turn the lights down, it will show up the day driving lights again, and you can see how nicely the 9-inch show up on the screen. Quad LED technology and premium setup. That's the very most beautiful one that we fit in this particular model, and everything everywhere at the edge, everything is beautiful into the place, matching into the interior like it was fit with the factory one. And inside the glove box here now is 2 USB port. Okay, so the owner can actually use the USB for the music video, something like USB stick. You can plug it there and you control it from here, play the video, music, anything. Of course, the system has so much more that you can play it as a tablet when you stop the car, but the main features is already beautiful, ready, and we are waiting for the collection from the owner. So that's the introduction about our system, 9-inch premium one, fit with the most careful installation into the car. And we would like to say thank you for watching this. If you like the video, please click the subscribe button. We appreciate that, and we'll try to bring more videos like this to you. Once again, thank you, and you have a great day. See you on another one.